Before you light it up.
Steve about to put a firecracker in his prosthetic leg.
What the heck that?
Look that shit up.
Hold on. You wanna say anything first?
This shit must be so goddamn go funny, boy.
This is 4th of July all over again.
All right, go ahead.
Damn! What the fuck?